welcome back to yet another exciting video. In this video, we are going to try and recreate this look here. Well, we're not actually going to try to recreate the look, but today's video is more about the technique that we are going to try and recreate. So I saw this technique going viral on YouTube and Instagram, and it is none other than the finger blending technique by Smita Deepak. So जब मैंने ये वीडियो देखा तो I was literally mind blown कि oh my god, it literally took me back to the days when I actually had no makeup brushes and I only had my fingers to do my makeup, but I did a very terrible job because I did not know the technique. So everything lies in the technique, you guys. So today we will be trying to recreate the technique that Smita Deepak has taught us. But before we start with the video, if you guys are watching me for the very first time, then hi, hello, my name is Riddhi and I make videos on fashion, beauty, DIY and many more every single week. So if you like watching such content here on YouTube, then please take a moment and hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon right next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video.
Hello from voiceover Riddhi. Let's start by applying a concealer onto our eyelids and using a brush spread the product evenly. अगर आपके पास ब्रश नहीं है तो आप ये स्टेप अपने फिंगर के साथ भी कर सकते हैं, but make sure you use your ring finger to apply the least amount of pressure. I have no makeup on my face right now, so let's begin with the makeup. I am picking the lightest shade from this Nika K eyeshadow palette in the shade Sugar Plum and applying in my inner corner. Next, going in with this metallic golden shade from the Nika K eyeshadow palette in the shade Autumn Spice. Next, I am using this slightly darker coppery shade from the same palette and placing it on the center of my eyelid. Picking up this rusty metallic red and patting it onto my outer corner. Lastly, taking the deepest shade available from the same palette and applying at the very outer corner of my eyelid. Once we have all the shades placed as a gradient, we can now move to the fun part, which is to smudge or merge all of these shades together, resulting in the most beautiful gradient eyeshadow look of all time. Let's be honest, I was pretty scared or nervous while doing this, thinking this could be a disaster. I wanted a little more depth to be visible, so I placed that deepest shade once again on the outer corner and blended it very carefully. Taking some cotton pad, I am cleaning up the fallouts off of my cheeks and giving my eyeshadow a cleaner finish. Let's apply some black eyeliner and keep it small and subtle in order to show the gradient. Lastly, top it off with some mascara and you are ready to go. Repeat the same steps onto the other eye and you are done. Quite literally, that's all you have to do to achieve this amazing makeup look. It's that simple and easy, you guys. अगर आपको मेकअप बिल्कुल नहीं आता और if you are a beginner, do give this a try. Also, आज रक्षाबंधन भी है, so I think this is the perfect opportunity for you to take the leap and have fun with makeup. I completed the rest of my face with some foundation and that same concealer. Also applied some lipstick and I'm done. I absolutely loved how this makeup look turned out and will be wearing the same look today for Rakhi. Thanks to Smita. Also, I wanted to wish happy Rakshabandhan to all my Runway family. I am back to creating some amazing content for you all, so stay tuned and keep on watching. And with that, here's the final look.
So that's that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and that you learned something new along with me. So I'm super stoked and I'm so happy that I got to share this video with all of you guys so that we can learn and grow together. I hope that you guys use this technique in your daily lives. Even if you don't have makeup brushes, you can only use your finger and try to create makeup looks. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and comment and tell me what are the other makeup techniques that you would want me to try. And as always, please share this video with all of your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys super soon. Bye.